that's a little gusty. Maybe that'll be my rap name, Little Gusty. Beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna come up fantastic. Oh, caught on the GoPro. That wasn't a very good reverse launch. Like, oh, motor out. Turn back.
Traffic 325 Whiskey, westbound runway 23,
Turn back into the wind. Or what I think. Oh, yeah, this is definitely the wind. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm like floating on a cloud, baby. Some B-roll on the water tower here. Try to maintain focus on the water tower. Look at that. That's like super cinematic right there. Of course, my hand is now in it. If I wasn't too far away from it, or too close to it, I'm sorry. Words. Coverage of the car show. Car show. Car show crowd. Probably have to head back soon. Or probably should head back soon. I'll rephrase that. Man, that's a bunch of junk. Golf carts. And a pick-em-up truck. Oh, a little bumpy down here. Not too bad. Anybody home? Try not to hit the building too. Hello! Hello! I'll take a corn dog. Alright, well, out of curiosity, okay, motor out. Out of curiosity. Let's see if we can. I know I'm in the wind right now. Oh man, I think we would just make it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's fun. That's a ton of fun. Oh, and this would be perfect too. Alright, but I'm not landing.
Where'd you go?
I am just to the southwest, probably about half a mile, just over that clearing next to the campground.
Okay, yep, I see you over there.
Man, it's rocky down here. Oh, there's Lewis. What's up, Lewis?
I got you down there, Corey.
I'm going to go ahead and start pointing back to the field right now. I'm going to be at 600 going back to the field. Dinwiddie, traffic control paraglider on approach from the southwest at 600, 1 mile out. Landing in the field just south of the tie down. Dinwiddie. Alright, let's see if we can hook it in. I'm actually probably a little high to hook it in, but there's a good little breeze. Woo, that's a sink.
Suffolk traffic, jumpers away 14,000 and below, look out Suffolk.
Actually, I should be on course. Yeah, we're going to commit right here, I think. Yeah, we're going to commit. Motor off, commit. Get up out of our seat. Oh, coming in a little heavier than I would like. Oh, that was beautiful. Let me see if I can turn around, cut it down. Oh, almost perfect. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. I'm happy with that. Anytime I land on my feet, it's still good. Okay. Dinwiddie, traffic ultralight paraglider is clear of the active. Thank you, Dinwiddie. All right, beautiful. That was good. I'm cold and I'm tired.